This is a song about the birdie raising, gentlemen. This is a great southern land by the Maizena shore. Paisley town, with sawdust in his clothes, to a hard bright sun in Melbourne streets where the Yarra River flows. Matthew Munn with a weaver's hands learned to grind the corn. Far from Clyde and winter rain, a new trade there was born. Word rode down the coastal track past Eden's rolling sand, of a tidal mill at Merimbula in this great southern land. We lay thin and seasons failed, yet white maize loved that ground. He smiled and saw the mill wheel turn before it made a sound. So light that fire, stoke that flame, raise your glass and call his name. Oh, stamp your feet, clap your hands in time. White gold grinding on the Merimbula line, load the dray for two-fold bay. Hear the old steam roar in this great southern land by the Maizena shore. Ho, ho, hear the wheel, feel the timbers hum. Old bass singing for Maizena Munn, from the mill yard mud to the Sydney store. In this great southern land they call for more. Back across the water wide, the heavy stones set sail. Deep in the hold with a rope and tar through salt and southern gale. Kennedy from Carriage Hill followed Munn down here. Iron teeth and belts and shafts, the grinding song grew near. Engines blew their warming breath smoke over lake and town. New sheds rose and cogs lined up, the old wheel turned around. 3 tons rolling every week, bright starch like river sand. Maizena in the baker's hands across the hungry land. Oh, feel that floor begin to shake. Hear that grinding song away. Oh, oh, stamp your feet, clap your hands in time. White gold grinding on the Merimbula line, load the tray for two-fold bay. Hear the old steam roar in this great southern land by the Maizena shore. Ho, ho, hear the wheel, feel the timbers hum. Old bass singing for Maizena Munn, from the mill yard mud to the Sydney store. In this great southern land they call for more. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Bran poured down the timber chute for 5 tall hundred strong. Every yard a squealing choir, a low and muddy song. Smoke curled up from boiling vats, bacon on the rack. Steamers at the wooden wharf took half those carcasses back. Deckhands joked at Merimbula in shirts all stained and worn. Pig and whistle on their lips from dusk to early morn. Barrels rolled and hams were swung, bound for city trade, while the millstones dreamed of corn by the river where they stayed. On the hill above the inlet, tower house of stone, Courunga watched the inlet lights and all the works below. A wedding gift for Armstrong there, a father's rising pride. Bay breeze moved through every room, slow and full and wide. But the body ties before the dream, and breath runs thin and slow. Company seals and paper shares a last long evening glow. Some nights that tower holds a sound no doctor understands. Old Munn hearing his mill roll on. In this great southern land. Clap your hands in time. Hey. White gold grinding on the Merimbula line, load the tray for two-fold bay. Hear the old steam roar in this great southern land by the Maizena shore. Ho, ho, raise your voice, let the rafters ring. Great southern land, hear the harvest sing, from the weaver's cloth to the miller's stone, to the tower on the hill where the light still shone. Ho, ho, one more round for the working crew, for the pigs and the smoke and the the starch they drew for the mill yard ghosts and the shifting sand.